reminds me of like a Kelly Clarkson concert. So you guys want to hear another song? It's another slow song. Are you guys okay with that? That's fine. That's awesome. Okay, well I've actually never sang this one in front of an audience, so you guys are the first ones to hear this one. This is before I'm singing this in front of the show tonight. This is the first time I've ever played this song live in front of anybody. So you guys are the very, very first people to hear this. Are you guys trying to sing right now? Do you know what it is? Do you guys know what it is?
I think so. I think so.
What?
I think so.
You're so good.
What?
You are such a fan. Like a super fan. You're so awesome. I love you. Okay, ready guys? Are you ready for this?